closer. I like my stuff close. Yeah, that good. All right, let's get these chicken thighs in. We got like 8 pieces. And we're going to be cooking these indirect on the grill. Move this board out the way. We're going to start off with some of this George's. Looking good. Now let's get a pack of this Saison. That's going to give it that good red color. And some of that Kinder's. And you can already smell it. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, I'm gonna zip this up, give it a shake, and let it sit for 5 hours. See you on the grill. All right, you guys, I just wanted you to see that color that Saison gives it. Yes, sir. Man, I can't wait to put this on the grill. All right, you guys, we finally got our grill going. It's time to put the chicken on. And when I put them on, I like to put my skin down. That's how I start off cooking. And look at that color. Yes, sir. Just laying it out, cooking this indirect. No temp, we're just letting them go. Gotta get the skin right on some of these. Man, that thing hot. Back here, I got some more stuff to go on, but we just focusing on this right now. All right, I'm gonna get everything else on and I'll be back with you. All right, you guys, we're starting to get some good color. I just put my chicken breast on. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with some good old apple cider vinegar. Probably turn them in a little bit. I'm gonna put the top down and let it do what it do. Again. All right, you guys. I got my chicken breast about ready. And what I like to do is wrap them. Let that meat stay moist. I'm just gonna lay them on here. And put some good old butter. Wrap it back up. Put it back on the smoker. Good piece of butter. That's it. How you do it. All right, you guys, it's time to take these chicken thighs off. I've been on here too long. Look at that color, man. And that came from that Saison. That's where your color coming from. I ain't doing too much talking because I'm ready to eat. And these are the chicken breasts. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off too. I'll show you that in the house. And we got some corn on the cob. Boy, we ain't playing today. That's why I brought this big plate out in aluminum foil. Yeah. Man, the Marines gave me this. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the house. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. We got our chicken thighs marinated with that Saison and that George's barbecue sauce, and the chicken wings too. We got some corn on the cob, salt, pepper, and garlic, that Kinder's, and some butter. And there goes those beautiful chicken breasts. Look at all that juice in there from that butter. Man, we eating good. And look in the back. Yes, sir. That's that good ass cornbread. So me and my family about to sit down and eat. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Sam, and I stay grilling. Peace.